Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, I just want to show you this picture. It's skies turn blood red over Oregon, and it says it's like a apocalyptic scene from the wildfires or the fires down here. I it just looking up in the skies here, you can see here of like kind of yellowish type of skies, and it's kind of a eerie feeling you're getting. But this one here with the Oregon one, it just look at it, it's pretty spooky. It's like the Revelation thing, or the beginning of judgment time of the apocalypse of things, signs that are happening. But anyways, this is a red orange glow sky, and it's due to the fires in Oregon. To me, it just seems like it's the end times.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.